This is Dr. Rajakanna Amudakanan. Welcome to my videos. Today we are going to see about top ranked engineering colleges in Coimbatore region. The ranking given here is as per the ranking published by NIRF on June 11th, 2020 under the supervision of Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. The rank 1 college from Coimbatore region is Amrita Vishwa Vidyapitham. This is deemed university. Average marks scored in NIRF ranking. Actually, in NIRF ranking, they are calculating for 500. Then after that, they are taking average for 100. Out of 100, Amrita Vishwa Vidyapitham has scored 57.37. The Chancellor of Amrita Vishwa Vidyapitham is Amma Mada Amrita Nandamayi. See here, NIRF is calculating according to the different parameters. What are the parameters? Teaching learning resources, TLR, research and professional practices, RP, graduation outcomes, GO, outreach and inclusivity, OI, peer perception. See, in teaching and learning, Amrita has scored 65.77 out of 100. In RPC, they have scored 56.76 out of 100. In the graduation outcomes, they have scored 59. Outreach and inclusivity, they have scored 60.07 out of 100. In the perception only, they have scored 28.01. And this is the reason they have scored average of 57.37 out of 100. This is one of the beautiful college in Coimbatore region. What are the courses offered from Amrita Vishwa Vidyapitham? I have listed here. BTech in Aerospace Engineering, BTech in Chemical Engineering, BTech in Civil Engineering, BTech in Computer and Communication Engineering, BTech Computer Science and Engineering, BTech in Computer Science and Engineering with a focus of Artificial Intelligence, BTech in Electrical and Computer Engineering, BTech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering, BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering, BTech in Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, and Bachelor of Technology in Mechanical Engineering. I have given the address of Amrita Vishwa Vidyapitham in Coimbatore. The location is Etimadai, Coimbatore. So if you want to join or if you want to know more about Amrita Vishwa Vidyapitham, you can visit or you can dial this number to get more information. The next rank 2 college is PSG College of Technology. It's a well-known college. It's a government-aided engineering college. Average marks scored in NIRF ranking 47.21 out of 100. The principal in charge name is Dr. K. Prakasan. I have taken from PSG Tech website. They have scored in the teaching and learning 69.35, research 19.73, which is pulled their rank, GO 52.14, OI 48.69, perception 51.77. What are the courses offered in PSG College of Technology? Automobile Engineering, Biotechnology, Civil Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Communication Engineering, Information Technology, Mechanical Engineering, Metallurgical Engineering, Production Engineering, Mechanical Engineering Sandwich, Electrical and Electronics Engineering Sandwich, Production Engineering Sandwich, Robotics and Automation Engineering, Textile Technology part-time also they are offering, biomedical engineering, fashion technology, instrumentation and control engineering. Address is given. The location of the college is in Pilamedu, Coimbatore. Rank 3 engineering college in Coimbatore region is Karunya. This is also a deemed university. We can say NIRF has given the rank 3 for Karunya Institute of Technology and Sciences. Average marks scored in NIRF ranking is 39.40 out of 100. Vice Chancellor of this deemed university is Dr. P. Manarjawar, who is ex-Vice Chancellor of Anna University and also ex-Professor of Madras Institute of Technology. He is one of the well-known academician in Tamil Nadu. He is the present Vice Chancellor for Karunya deemed university. Karunya has scored In the teaching learning, out of 100, 56.50. In research, 20.50 out of 100. In GEO, 50.75. GEO means graduate outcomes. OI, 54.83 out of 100. Perception only 6.65 out of 100. What are the courses offered in Karunya Deemed University? Aerospace Engineering, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Biomedical Engineering, Biotechnology, Civil Engineering with the specialization of Smart Infrastructure, Computer Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Computer Science and Medical Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering with the specialization of Artificial Intelligence, Computer Science and Engineering with the specialization in Data Analytics, Electrical and Computer Engineering in collaboration with Siemens and ABB, Electronics and Communication Engineering, specialization in IoT technologies, Food Processing and Engineering, Mechanical Engineering with industry integrated, Mechanical Engineering with the specialization in digital manufacturing and also robotics and automation. So many engineering courses they are offering. The address is given here. This is located near Narsippuram, Coimbatore. Contact number also I have given. If you want to join in this deemed university or if you want to know more about this deemed university, you can visit their website or you can call this number. They will give all the information to you. Rank 4. Which college? Kumaraguru College of Technology. Average marks scored in NIRF ranking 39.24 out of 100. Chairman of this Kumaraguru College of Technology is Dr. B.K. Krishnaraj Vanavarayar, who is very famous personality in Coimbatore region and also very famous businessman in Coimbatore region. Kumaraguru College of Technology has scored 63.11 out of 100 in teaching and learning, 11.35 in research out of 100, 54.4 out of 100 in graduate outcome, 45.37 out of 100 in OI. In perception, Kumaraguru College of Technology has scored 14.79 out of 100. What are the courses offered in Kumaraguru College of Technology? Civil Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, BTech Information Technology, Biotechnology, Fashion Technology, Mechanical Engineering, BE Mechatronics Engineering, BE Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, Aeronautical Engineering, and Textile Technology. The location of Kumaraguru College of Technology is near Saravanambatti, Coimbatore. The exact location is Chinnavedambatti. I have given the contact information and also the phone number. You will get all the information from their website kct.ac.in. Rank number 5. Which college? Sri Krishna College of Engineering and Technology. How much mark it is scored in NIRF ranking? 38.83 out of 100. Chairperson and Managing Trustee name is Srimati S. Malarvili. Sri Krishna College has scored 62.69 out of 100 in teaching and learning. In research, 4.26 out of 100. Sri Krishna has scored 63.05 out of 100 in graduate outcomes, 48.54 out of 100 in OI, 12.79 in perception. What are the courses offered in Sri Krishna College? Information Technology, Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Mechatronics Engineering, Computer Science and Business System, Civil Engineering. The location is near Kuniyamuttur, Coimbatore. Phone number I have given. If you go www.skcet.ac.in, you will get more information about admission and also what are the activities they are doing. Rank number 6. Coimbatore Institute of Technology, CIT. Government aided autonomous institution approved by AICTE. Average marks scored in NIRF ranking 38.24 out of 100. Correspondent name is Dr. S.R.K. Prasad, who is well-known businessman in Coimbatore region. Coimbatore Institute of Technology scored 64.87 out of 100 in teaching and learning. In research, 6.88 out of 100. In the graduate outcome, 45.81 out of 100. In the OI, 48.63 out of 100. Perception, 26.86 out of 100. What are the courses offered in CIT? Civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and communication engineering, computer science and engineering, BTech chemical engineering, BTech information technology. This college is near Coimbatore Airport. See the address, Civil Aerodrome Post, Coimbatore. I have given the phone number. Rank 1 to rank 6 colleges what I have listed in this video in Coimbatore region, all are there in top 100 ranking list which is published by NIRF. Other NIRF ranked colleges in Coimbatore. Rank 7, Government College of Technology. Rank 8, Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College. Rank 9, Sri Krishna College of Technology. In NIRF ranking, 9 colleges are there from Coimbatore region in the ranking list of top 200 colleges. Thank you for watching this video. I will catch you in another video. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you very much.